Ladies and gentlemen, we're out here at Hday 2022, Mechanicsville, Maryland. Early morning, it's 9 a.m. The gates just opened. People are starting to roll through. Over here at the JDI booth, we're just hanging out next to Nicole from Dreamfest. And we also got the EJ1 out here, which take a nice look at. We haven't seen it in a minute. Really, we like to bring it out for the shows. Not much has changed. We adjusted the height a little bit for the trip. We didn't get to lower it back down. But you know, she clean as always. Oh, there's the man right there. There's the man right there. Ah! Everybody's out here right now getting set up for the beautiful day. So cool. All right, so we're gonna take a walk around Hday and take a look at some of these pandas they got out here. So yeah, beautiful day. A couple of nice ones right in front of me, actually. So this is something you don't see very often, is this 4-door DA here. This thing is sick. Recaro interior. The red rear seat, it's amazing. S2000 cluster, personal steering wheel. Turbo K, this thing is sick.
I'm gonna take the spring off. You can buy it now on the website.
Do it like Whistler Diesel.
Yeah, Whistler Diesel. Top had already fucked up, so they're gonna buy it anyway. Put this shit that. Why is it?
I gotta have content. This is my video for today.
Okay.
So today, everybody, we're interviewing Dell, and Dell's gonna review every motherfucker. Look. On today's episode, Dell reviews hot dogs.
Hey, got ketchup on there.
Is it good, or is it half? What do you think?
We hungry. You know, we ain't ate nothing, so we just trying to eat something so we don't pass out. It's raining, can't nobody race today.
So how's that hot dog?
Bro, this shit delicious.
Part 2.
Lined up like
Look, now Dell reviews French fries.
This shit kind of trash. Just filler. You know, like they just filler.
Yeah.
They just covered them in flour.
What are you doing?
Listen, I'm trying to make a career. What's up?
Dell should work hard to try to build something up.
right.
And then somebody else takes.
Motherfucker with a keyboard just snatches it right from you. That's no
Yeah.
Bro, those shades look amazing. You look.
Hey, I'll get. What's up? I'll hook you up.
I know.
But can you see through them?
I can't. My
God.
wife loves them, so she said,
You want the clear or the black? Oh, that's right. We
Yeah,
said.
yeah, I got, man, who sent me the last one?
He did it.
Bro, I'm glad I got a ship. That's all I wanted was a ship knots. I can't
They
do
fired.
shade. But the first time,
This is shit knock.
it feels good. It feels great.
So we're out here walking out of Hday. So we're out here walking around on Hday. We got drag racing, it's a lifestyle stage. You probably can't hear anything that I'm saying. We're out here looking at it's a good time. The weather's actually perfect. Apparently this is the Hday summer giveaway car. Looks absolutely mint. Ladies and germs, Jennemers, it's good to see you. Hday day 2 coming back at you. Sun's out. It is 7 a.m. About to open the gates. Just set up the booth here, and just gonna be another day. Kick it out. So, yeah, let's see what else we got today. the sun is coming out on Sunday, Hday 2022. It's been kind of brutally cold, lots of wind, but everybody's out here. It's kind of wild, honestly, that there's so many people out here, you know, hanging out, celebrating the Honda Acura lifestyle. So, continuing on to take a look at some more of these cars out here. Some really beautiful examples. Really crazy cars all over the East Coast. I actually kind of like this. It reminds me of another car I used to know. And the sun is now hiding. It's cold. It is so cold out here. It's really not that cold. It's just windy.
Will Manley going to the sevens here. Not a bad start. Here comes the native trying to chase down top of the racetrack. Michael Manley, 8-11 with a 5, 183 left.
Okay, this is the end of the video. I completely forgot to record an outro. Yes, it was so busy and slammed at Hday. It was super fun. It was a great time. It had been the first time since I've been to an Hday since like 2016. We had awesome support and success, selling a lot of Dragon Spec stuff. Don't forget the giveaway is still going on. And you can pick up a giveaway bundle at thedragonspec.com. Thank you so much for all the support. And we're gonna get cracking back on the DA here. We're gonna be redoing all the suspension, and as well as we have a new project coming to the channel in the next coming weeks that's really exciting. So stay tuned for more uploads now that I'm home. It took a while to kind of get home acclimated, to get comb through all the footage and stuff. So thank you guys so much. Peace out.